let's talk about the HTML list. Inside the HTML list, we have order list and we can represent it through the numerical order and the alphabetical order. And another one is the unordered list. And in unordered list, we do not need to find out the particular position of an item. So we can represent it through the disc or circle or square. To understand the order list and the unordered list, we have to understand some HTML tags, and some of them are the li. Li represents the list tag, and another one is the val. Val represents the order list, and another one is the ul. Ul represents the unordered list, and another one is the dl. This is the another description list, and it represents the description list. We'll discuss description list also in this video. And another one is the dt. Dt represents the data term, and another one is the dd, and it represents the description details. So let's go into the Visual Studio and let's start our coding. Now I'm in Visual Studio. Let's create another file here by clicking the new item button, and I can give the name here the HTML list list. Sorry, HTML list dot. I have to give the extension also, HTML list dot HTML. And inside the HTML list dot HTML, I can use the boilerplates here by pressing the Shift and 1. And if I press Enter, I can get this HTML code by default. And inside the body tag, first of all, I want to make one comment here by pressing the Ctrl K and C at the same time, Ctrl K C. And I can write here on unordered list, ORDERED unordered list. Let's discuss about the unordered list at first. To write the unordered list, to make the unordered list, first of all, we have to use the ul tag. And inside the ul tag, we can write the li tag to list our item. If I write here, the coffee is my one item, and again the milk is another item, and if I make another list, that is tea is another item. Now if I press on the go live option, then what will happen? This code is running, and now you can see our output as coffee, milk and tea in unordered list. And we can change this, the type, or you can say the symbol of this unordered list by giving the style symbol. And style is a CSS property, and I'm not focusing the CSS here. But if you want to change this style, then you can just type here the style. This is CSS property, and you can type here the list style type. That is, you can give the circle or whatever you want. I'm giving here this circle, and if I again go to here, unordered item list is changed here. And if I put here the only the the square, what will happen? If I put here the square, now it's changed into the square. Now let's talk about the order list. Just again I press the Ctrl K C, and I can type here the ORDERED order list. And to write the order list item, first of all, just type the OL tag, and inside the OL tag, just give here the li tag. And inside the li tag, just type again, just copy this code from here, milk, copy and tea, and just put it down here. Okay. And if I run this code, then you can see coffee, milk, tea in numeric order. And if you want to change this numeric order into alphabetical order, or you can type the I, provide the attribute as type, and type is equals to, you can type just A. And A means capital A, and it changes the value of A, B, C. And if I want to put in a small letter, then I can type here small letter. If I want to put in I, then in this way I can change this order list item. And another one, let's talk about the another one description, that is the description list. And again, I want to make another comment here, and I can just type DSCRIPTION description list. And inside the description list, just you can use the DL tag, and DL tag is the description list tag. And let's define the data term, okay, or you can say the define term. Define term is coffee, and if I want to define the copy or description of the copy, then just type DD, and inside the DD copy DSCRIPTION. If I type this, and if I go to here, this is coffee description. And also I can make the T description here by DT, and this is T. And in the DD tag, I can give the description of copy. T details, okay, something, T details. And again, I can make the another description here, make the another description, that is milk, that is DT, and then the milk. And inside here, DD tag and milk, DPA, DTILS details. And if I go to here, now you can see first one is the order list, and we can change this symbol from using the CSS properties. And here is a order list, and we can change also the different types of order list style in a numerical order or in alphabetical order using the type your attribute, and we can also make the description list in this way. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Thank you.